So we're going to discuss the Zaim, sex linked gene, sex linked gene. Alright, so if teacher asks you how many chromosomes are there, okay, so you have 46, am I right, class? And out of this 46 chromosome, okay, we call, okay, it can divide into 22 pairs, okay, 22 pairs, what we call as autosome, and 2 pairs, okay, and a pair, I mean a pair, one pair, okay, a pair or one pair of sex chromosome, okay. So like Elvina will show, okay, or will carry 22 plus XX. Am I right, class? Okay, and like if Yah will carry 22 times. So it's a pair, so that means 44, right? Okay, again, right? So like Elvina 44, because 22 pairs means, okay, 22 from paternal, 22 from maternal, so it gives 44 plus XX. Okay, so this is for woman, where one X is from father and one X is from mother. Okay, same goes to men. Okay, 44, right? 22 from paternal, 22 from maternal, so it becomes 44. Okay, pairs, right? Okay, one is from your mother, maternal, one is your father, paternal. Okay, so and the boy will shows this XY, right? Where X is from your mom, X from your mom, for boys, and Y is from your dad. Okay, so this is the concept, the concept behind it, right? Okay, but okay, what's the issue here? Okay, why this sex linked gene, okay, is divert from what Mendel proposed? Okay, so it happens when scientists studies, okay, when studies, there are a few genes, okay, a few genes that link to sex chromosome X, right? Okay, so this gene that carried or that link, okay, when teacher asks you about link, what do you understand by link, class? Just now, teacher share you a link for attendance. Okay, meaning you are connected. Okay, you are connected in S1CP2, right, with teacher. So same goes to the gene. Okay, this gene that determine, okay, the normal vision and determine the normal blood clotting. Okay, the gene is linked together with the sex chromosome X, right? Okay, so this is what we call as a sex-linked gene, right? So because human female, like teacher mentioned just now, okay, we are lucky, okay, my girls, because we have 2X. Okay, we have two sex linked allele. Okay, two sex linked allele, meaning, okay, this is a X chromosome, and it says this is a sex chromosome X. Okay, so we have two sex chromosome X, so we have two what class? For girls, we have two sex linked allele. Okay, so this is the allele that link to the sex, to the X chromosome. Okay, so this is the allele that link to the sex chromosome. Okay, all right. So now let's proceed to the question given. Okay, so this is actually past year's question. Okay, so teacher would like you to, this is what we are going to discuss in class, Okay, sex linked gene, where you can refer to question on page, okay, this is on page 73. Okay, so this is on page 73. Okay, so from this question, okay, this teacher really like this question because this question test your basic concept. Okay, so these two pedigree, one pedigree is sex-linked gene. One pedigree is sex-linked gene. Okay, and another pedigree is is a not sex-linked gene. Okay, meaning when teacher mentions sex-linked gene, so it involves the sex chromosome X. Okay, when teacher mentions it's a sex-linked gene, it involves sex chromosome X. But when teacher doesn't mention not sex-linked gene, okay, you may refer just now back to our slide, sex chromosome. So in this case, this is men. Okay, so not linked gene, so it means the allele is located on the autosome, okay? Any autosome. Okay, we have 22 pairs of autosome. Okay, this is one pair, this is two pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth. Okay, so that is what this question asks you to identify. Okay, so let's try out the class. Okay, when teacher mentioned about okay, just now is X the green one it's a X. Okay, with the father XY. So this is boy. Okay, so this is what you have learned. Okay, in order to determine gender. Okay, how many percent probability you get girl class? 50%. Okay, Rafi, so no need to quarrel. Okay, 50% confirm you may got if you get married. Okay, 50% you manage to get girl, or 50% you get boy. Okay, so this is what okay, like Mendel proposed. Okay, now let's let's insert the allele, that linked to the sex chromosome. Okay, so let's say we use capital C. Okay, capital C for dominant allele. Okay, for dominant allele for normal vision. Okay, and small c is recessive allele. Okay, recessive allele for color blind. Okay, so where you're going to put this allele class? Okay, so that's why you can see, right? So let's refer to the question given in class. Okay, refer the question given from the past years. Okay, so in this case, which one? Okay, the father is normal and the mother is carrier. Why carrier? Because, okay, so now let's see the pattern. Okay, so father will only have one sex chromosome, sex chromosome, sex X, okay? But mother have two sex chromosome. Okay, so that this is what teacher mean class. The allele is linked to the sex chromosome X. Okay, in this case is linked to sex chromosome X. So this girl, okay, this girl will inherit the normal allele from her father, okay, and also normal allele from her mother. So this girl is normal vision. Okay, how about this girl? This girl inherit normal allele from her father, but okay, she inherit recessive allele from her mother. But luckily, because woman, okay, because girl, they have 2 sex chromosome X, so this girl still consider normal. Am I right, class? It's just that we call this girl is a carrier in their family, okay, where this girl can pass this recessive allele to the next generation, right? Okay, this boy, luckily he received the dominant allele that linked to the sex chromosome X of her mother, and Y, of course, from her father. Okay, so this boy normal. Okay, so the last boy, okay, the last boy, as you can observe here, Y, this boy, Y, of course, he inherit from her father, but okay, the linked gene, okay, the recessive allele that link to the sex X chromosome, he inherit from her mother. So this boy consider affected. Okay, affected, class. Okay, or having the disorder. Okay, so this one is disorder, right? So this is what the sex linked gene all about. Okay, actually what you learn on linked gene, okay, it apply here also, because this involves sex linked gene. The linked gene, okay, it apply on the same chromosome. Am I right, class?
Okay, so class summary for the X-linked disorder. When there is an affected son in the family, automatically her mother is a carrier mother because she passed her recessive allele to her son. Alright? Okay, that's all. See you again. Bye. Thank you.